Emily Nicole ydw I. Ges I diagnosi Cerebral Palsy pan dwi 3 oed. Ond yna, 10 GCSEs, pasio prawf gyrru a dwi'n gweithio 9 to 5. Take 1. Dwi'n gweithio mewn siop a dwi'n siarad gyda cwsmeriad ar y ffôn neu ysgrifennu e-bost. I call myself office manager. Hello, Samantha Cays. Pan o'n i'n blentyn, fy mam and dad yn dweud mae popeth yn possible I ti.
If you want to follow me, come on in. So this is our show. What the heck is Emily naked? No, I'm not. Don't worry. But I am doing a video today on how I get dressed. It's Tinder time. Yay!
Dwi'n cael ymateb mawr yn fy fideos. It's not about me, it's just about if I can do things, so can you. To just feel heard is amazing. Pam dwi'n blentyn, mae llawer o pobl I ysbrydoli fi. In particular, mae un athrawes, Jennifer Clark, a mae hi'n dweud I fi, you can do anything fel fy mam a fy nad. Ond I listened to her because she was an outside influence. And mae hi'n ddweud I fi, there's nothing wrong with you.
Helo.
Hi!
Shwd wyt ti?
How are you? Oh my God!
Fi'n iawn, diolch yn fawr. O, ti ddim yn gwybod bod fi'n mawr, ti?
No!
Surprise arbennig I ti. Ti'n gwybod beth? Fi mor proud o beth I ti wedi wneud, reit? Ti yw Emily Roberts, special.
Diolch!
Da iawn ti, Emily. Fi mor proud ohono ti. Mae gyda fi surprise arall I ti.
Beth nawr?
Nawr, ten. Ti yn nabod person o'r enw Gem Hubbard?
Yeah. Hello, how are you?
I'm really well, really excited to meet you and talk to you and learn more about you. Now, tell me, you're doing this celebrating bravery. Can you tell me a bit more about this?
So, I was lucky enough to be awarded an award for bravery, and the surprise that I had was a little bit like Adele when she was on TV last month and her teacher came out.
Oh, that's so lovely. Oh, that's so nice.
I was wondering as well, did you want to learn some Welsh?
I would love to learn some Welsh.
Bore da is good morning.
Bore da.
That's better than me. That is amazing.
When we met, I wanted to give you a few things.
Oh, wow. More presents. Oh, it feels like Christmas.
More presents?
Oh, I'm putting on my narrator voice. It says, Dearest Emily, congratulations on your award. It is very well deserved with the work that you have been doing to help the disability community. I know that you said, you know, well done to me for all my hard work, but honestly, a big part of this award is actually your award because you helped inspire me. So thank you.
Oh, thank you. It's been so lovely to talk to you. I knew it would be exactly like this. You are the same. Awesome.
Oh, thank you so much. So you make me cry, Joe. I've been crying on this whole show and I'm going to cry again. You're awesome as well.
Oh, Emily, fi mor proud ohono ti.
Diolch.
A ti di fod falch o dy hunan hefyd, right?
It means a lot from you, miss.
Wi'm yn credu oedd hi'n disgwyl yng ngweld I heddi, a oedd hwnna'n arbennig iawn. Da iawn, Emily, a dal ati.